Another good question. So this is something that I've been studying a lot here recently because I consider it similar to the revolution of the internet and how that completely changed everything. So something similar is going to happen with artificial intelligence, to where information and intelligence is going to be commoditized. So right now I more look at artificial intelligence as like your personal assistant. So letting business owners and marketers, be able to solve problems quicker is going to be a key. But I think eventually the intelligence that comes from artificial intelligence is going to start overtaking humans. So that's going to be a scary thought. But for right now, I more look at it as a personal assistant. So making sure your work is done quicker and without as many errors, I would say.